What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out at Watts because this has been one of my favorite Nike outlets this year so far. Let's go see what's up. This store has been my fave. East LA's had some stuff too, but I am not a fan of their workers though because they be tripping. All right, let's go see what's up, man. This place been having sales when nobody else been having sales. Hope we can find something. I got a gift card. I'm waiting for this stuff to go on sale to help a couple people out. Everybody else got 20% off. These fools got 30. Okay. Damn, why did I waste my time going to East LA first thing in the morning? All right, let's look around. That's got me all excited. And then of course, look at this. I'm in the men's sizing. And then they got these, what, this is a preschool? A preschool? 3.5. Technically might not be preschool. This is, those were 3.5. Yeah, okay. What the worker took them took it to the right. That was a men's though for some reason. But Nike and Jordan does that sometimes where they make really small sizes into men's just so they could get their full men's pricing. Do you got some pennies right here? $180 for these. These ain't bad, dude. These ain't bad. I'm definitely not paying $180 for them. But even $180 with 30% off, still not the greatest deal yet. Oh, I saw this. I was like, what? What is this, Jordan? Oh, it is a Jordan 200. It's a women's 10 though. Wrong spot. $63. That's not bad. Air Max 2017 is going for $120, but with that 30 off, holy cow, it's under $100. Terra Escapes right next to it. Air Max 97 Terra Escapes. Soldiers. They got the Soldier 14s down to $70. This is gently worn. Above that, some tennis shoes for tennis. Nike Zoom Court Pro Hardcourt. It's going for $50. Gently worn. Vaporfly Next Percents. Go for $125. 30% off on top of that. That's just maximum comfort for sure. Does have a carbon fiber flake too, so a little stiff. Be able to get Air Force Ones for 30% off. Go for $90. Got some Buzz Lightyear colorway of the MX 90s. $130 for those. That's a golf. I see I'm going to the small size. Yeah, I'm going small sizes, so we're in the size 9.5. $230 for these. Way too much. Remember these Alpha Dunks? I remember when these came out, people were making a huge deal about them. So much zoom air in the front. $130 for those. Golf shoes go for $75. Infinity Pros, $72. My bad. Size 9. KD's going down and down. KD 15's $100. So was that $70 after discount? Blazers, 9.5. I was looking for these in 9.5 fools. I paid regular price for them. $90, get 30 off. 70 for these. Jordan Lows, 70, 30 off. Wow. Lucas. They had this my size. I might cop them just because I want a pair of Lucas. $110 though, size 8. 7.5. Go for $120. Man, $120 and then you get 30 off on top. Witnesses, 9.5. Go for $53. Holy crap. What's this? Vaporflies. Go for $260. Size 9. 7.5 Jordan 2s. $175. Size 8. Zion 2s go for $175. All right, let's move up to the huge section over here. Size 11 and above. We got the Terminator highs right here. We've seen these before. 11.5 go for $1.25. Size 11s, $160 for the Vapor Max Plus. Zoom Freaks go for $100. Way too much. Size 12 Blazer Lows going for $85. Kyrie's $120. Metcon 8 refurbished, $65 for that. Holy cow. These some high top golf. Yeah, dude. These are some high top golf cleats. Never seen that before. It is a shield too, so you can wear it in the elements. Does have all that tech on it too. $180. 13. So you got some Max RS for $115. Ooh, 12.5 Blazer Lows. Says gently worn, $45. You get 30 off on top. Holy cow. Holy cow, man. That's what, like damn near $30, 31. I was like, what? I got some Jordan 1. Yeah, man, I got these things, dude. Dang it. $110 for those. The Vaporfly Next Percent 2s. Going for, what is it, 125. I'm not falling for it again. I'm not doing it. Size, what, 14's 52 for the Verona slips. Size 13, $70 for the blazer lows here. Not really much else in the huge sizes. Not much, man. Okay, we'll go check out the aisles in a second. See what I'm wearing? Air Force 2s. They call this the bread colorway. I'm like, more black and white with a little bit of red. I am wearing my Mitchell & Ness, $16 Mitchell & Ness shorts. It is for the Bulls. I'm not really a fan of the Bulls, but it matches the bread stuff so easily. Yeah, wearing Jumpman LA t-shirt. I think I got this. I think I got it at the Nike outlets, but it was only supposed to be sold at Jumpman LA. All right, let's go check out the aisles, see what's up here, man. It's like dark in the aisles, man. Dude got the Westbrook's Fools back in LA now. This is the Westbrook take one, it's a budget one, but he's back in LA with the Clippers. Zion too. These are clean, dude. Those all white ones are dope. $10 off retail. I do have the Voodoo colorway. That's the only colorway I do have of these. These are dope looking. These look so much better than the ones. Soldiers, Soldier 14s, Witness 6s. Another one of those. Last one right here. Got Trey 5s, man. They got a bunch of them. KD Trey 5 9s. Zoom Freak 4s. Another one of those. Jordans, the Origin 4s, the Flight Origin 4s. Liftoffs. I've been ignoring a bunch of these J's recently, so I'll show them to you guys. Access right here. 4 different colorways. Pine Green. Red colorway. Origin 4s. Another one of those. Concord colorway of the Max RS. Red colorway. Another one of these Westbrook Take 1s. Turbo Next Natures. Pegasus Turbo, that is. Another colorway right here. Pegasus Trail 4 Gore-Tex. Trail 3s. Another one of those. Phantom React Flynets. Going down the aisles. I think a lot of generic stuff, but we'll take a look. Cosmic Unity 2s. The 1s. Del Dons. Fly Traps going for hella cheap because it is $29.97. I think you get an additional 30% off. Just like this one right here. Man, dude, this is my size right here. For outdoor hoops, but I haven't played outdoor hoops in forever. These would be $21. $21 after discount. Those would be what, $28? But 21 freaking dollars, are you serious? Damn, there's just really not much room up here in the toe box. This is not great for wide footers. Just for y'all information, if y'all are wide footers. Damn near free though, holy crap. Had to try it on. All right, man, I'm not getting it. This just doesn't fit my foot very good. Talked about that one already, right? Got the Immortalities. These are the budget Giannis's. Going for way cheap. Probably because they already got the second one. And I think I've seen those at the outlets too. Yep, this is the Immortality 2s. They look almost the exact same as the ones. Zoom Freak 4s. More Hirachis. Been seeing these a ton lately. We've seen lower prices than that too though. We've seen lower prices for these as well. But that's probably because it's only been in the clearance section. But yeah, it ends in a 97. I'd ask if you can get an additional 30% off of this. Air Force 1s. Some highs right here. Mid Quick Strikes. Another one of those. These are gonna drop, right? Wait, it's the same one that someone just took the sign off. Air Max 2017s. Got a couple here. Air Max 95s, 97s, some 90s. Some 90s on sale. This is the only one with the box top. All the other ones have them. And even the Air Max Griffies. I'm seeing Vapor Max for under $100 now. Wow. I just talked to a couple people. Ooh, tell me they got a size 9. I need 2 size 9s. Ooh, there we go. 2 size 9. Just talked to a couple people. They said they were playing basketball in the morning with running shoes on. Come on now, we can't do that. So grab 2 of these. Almost free, dude. $21 a piece. Alright, they said they don't have any more black bags. I don't know what the hell that's about. So I guess I'll just carry these around. Okay, we're still gonna look. Check out the women's section. Especially because they have refurbished stuff. That's kind of why I want to check out the women's section. I know that's not for everybody. Some people won't want refurbished stuff or return stuff. I don't care. So $90 for these. These are 6.5. Remember, you do get the extra 30% off on top. Women's size 6 right here, $1.80. You do get 30 off. Got some Mars yard things, 7.5 to be able to get these for 30% off. That is fire. That is fire, man. That's a really good time for people who got time to hit up the outlets, because that's what's up. I see red tags and it's like, it's the same price. What the hell? What the hell? Fontanka's right there. Joe Burrow's, regular price though. Not really seen too much. Nike by You. Blazers right here going for 58. That's a solid price. Super Rap Goes going for 50. GTS right here going for 35. 11 Love CMFTs. I didn't know they make these in women's. Okay, I guess so. $1.30. That is size 9.5. 8 men's. See Pegasus right here. Going for $90. Some Jordans right here. Mids, size 10, 8.5 men's, going for $135. Dunks, size 8, going for $140. Back to the smallest section, size 7.5, $140. I'm telling you, it's doper when they do not have a heat wall. Just throw all the stuff here, we do get deal. Checking out the women's house real quick while I'm holding these mugs right here. You got some Hirachis, going for way too much. Some Air Force One platforms. Another one of those. This one's ugly though. Another ugly one. Another one of those. Crater, the waffle racer craters. Blazer mids. And then all generics, yo. Renew, Ride 2s. Downshifters. Man, that's it. That's it, dude. Dang. Oh, wait. We got some stuff right here. Phantom Rack Flynets. Okay. That's a hell of a price on the left. Is this TCU Tech Fleece? Yeah, this is fire, dude. If you went to TCU, $70. Normally $1.50. Holy cow. Got some Zion gear right here. Jackets. Fleece jacket for $90. Jumpman. Ooh, this hoodie is hella nice. Is it a hoodie or is it just a sweatshirt? It's hella premium. Yep, $150. $150. The lining is really nice. Just material's just ridiculous on it. It is a hoodie. Okay, that's hella nice. Hella nice. Wow. On a TCU stuff on sale. Soon as the Ohio State, I will. That's the same fools that I would buy the Ohio State stuff for. Oh, Georgia stuff. Okay, so we are starting to see it. Oh, this is $115. At least you get 30% off. I was thinking about this for me, because I do want some USA soccer gear, but this is small. It doesn't fit. $15. Yeah, not seeing any in the medium though. Was hoping the medium. No, not really. Pants, not really see much. This is really nice. It's a little thin. Feels thicker. The material is really nice on these. $40, normally $60. Do got these. What is this? Some golf. $50. Normally $95 to $50. You get an extra 20% off, so not bad. But not seeing anything too crazy. I did get 25% off, or 20% off apparel. I guess that's not bad. All right, I did grab another pair. Probably gonna give these to my brother-in-law as well as his kids. Let's go. Man, these better fit these fools. These fools would tell me that they're 9.5, and now they're saying 9, and I don't know. I think were they anticipating their feet growing? I don't know. They're teenagers. I don't know. But these better fit, dude. These better fit. Dang, came out to $63. It's a 21 each, and I'm gonna just give this to them. Tell them to buy me lunch or something. Bam, just steal.